Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, has called the peace talk that was convened by Ministry of Home Affairs between Kuki and Meitei civil society organizations as a strategic ploy to validate the misleading narrative which was advanced by Union Home Minister Amit Shah in Parliament. Terming the peace talk, which took place in New Delhi today, as a facade, Cocomi rejected the narrative of Union Home Minister in the Parliament, in which it was mentioned that Manipur crisis was an ethnic conflict and was triggered by High Court's direction on scheduled tribe status for Meitei community. In the press note that was issued by convener IPR subcommittee of Cocomi, Laikram Jayanta, Cocomi mentioned that Government of India has not taken up single genuine measure to resolve the crisis. It has only evaded responsibility, refused to confront the actual drivers of conflict, and continue to embolden separatist elements through false hopes and covered support. Cocomi further emphasized that genuine engagement of Chin, Kuki, Mizo, Mar and Thado communities can only occur once government restores a terror-free environment, free from coercion of narco-terrorists and their armed oppression. Cocomi also asserted that civil society organizations do not possess the capacity to disarm militant factions or enforce the rule of law, and it is the role of Government of India to create the necessary conditions by stopping shielding of narco-terrorist armed militant groups and by stopping the exploitation of the ongoing crisis for counter-insurgency operations and geopolitical gain. Cocomi also urged people of Manipur and conscientious citizens of India to see through the deceptive game being played by centre and to ensure return of peace and normalcy in Manipur through genuine justice and preservation of territorial integrity of Manipur and its indigenous people.